Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to take your mask and tell a really fabulous story with it. You're going to put it in a photograph and make a small story, kind of a small moment, a small gesture, an action. It can be funny, it could be anything you want it to be. You're going to learn how to consider the setting so that it goes with the story and it enhances the mask but doesn't distract from the mask. And I'm going to show you how to take a really, really good photograph. It's all in the movie. At the end, the tips for having a successful photograph and some technical tips are at the very end. Pause the movie, enjoy it, enjoy your mask, and I can't wait to get your photographs. Have fun. This is a picture. It's not a story. Now something is happening. We have a small moment. Just the tiniest gesture can add a lot. Color makes the bag look paper baggy, like a person wearing a paper bag. The black and white looks more believable. Lighting is very important. The light should never be behind the subject. You should always make sure the light is in front so you can see the mask. There's too much clutter behind the mask. It's very distracting. This background is more thoughtful. We can focus on the mask. The problem here is not clutter, it's that there's too much background. Try different pictures by standing closer, moving back. Experiment. In this photo, it's hard to see the hedgehog in front of that mask. Just moving it a little bit makes it so much better. The camera is too low. The tall person needs to sit down in a chair. Now the camera is too high. The photographer needs to kneel or squat down. This one looks pretty good, don't you think? What advice might you give to this photographer? Here are some photos of masks I thought might help inspire your stories. A cool cardboard mask of someone daydreaming out the window. Look how he's holding his mask. I can tell this character is lost in thought by the way he's holding his glasses. What do you think this character is feeling about that lunch? I wonder what kind of thought bubble to put above this character's head. This picture kind of tells the whole story, doesn't it? Wow, this character is reacting to something out there. Huh, we've seen that character with the coffee cup before. Looks like he's got a friend. Maybe you can make a friend for your character too. Some tips for success. Tell your mask story with props or gestures. You can even use two characters, especially if you made two masks. Choose a setting that's right for your mask story. Check the background for distracting clutter. The mask should face into the light source. Check your distance. Are you close enough? Raise and lower the camera to get the best angle. A few technical tips. Put your mask on someone else so you can be the photographer. You can prop your camera or phone on books or boxes and use the camera timer to take selfies. Take the picture in black and white or mono in some cameras if your camera has that setting. You can edit a color photo by making the saturation 0. That will take away the color but leave the black and white values. Hi, so that wraps up my end of this. Now it's on you. Take those masks, come up with some good stories or one good little narrative. Take lots of pictures of it though. I'd like to choose the one best one and post that. Your tips for success and technical tips are in the Google Slides, so you can refer to those to help you think about framing and shooting your photographs. and I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Enjoy.